Good day and welcome to Auto Solutions in Bloemfontein. I'm Daniel Kutsia
I'm Johan Kutsia.
and we're the guys behind Auto Solutions in Bloemfontein. Let's show you around a bit. On your right hand side you will see our sales floor where we buy, sell and trade quality second-hand vehicles. What you have to know about the vehicle that you will buy on our floor, that it has a 6 months warranty according to the CPA Act of 2008. It includes roadworthy, change of ownership, licensing. So if the car is paid in full, you can just come and collect. Everything will be ready.
Then the other thing is every car on the floor has gone through our RMI approved workshop, which we will get to in a minute and show you around what that looks like.
Yeah, so we can also assist you with finance, warranties, insurance, and we do assist businesses as well as personal use. If you don't find a vehicle on the floor that you like, we will happily assist you to find something according to your needs, and usually about a 4 to 5 day period to collect the vehicle, get it here, take it through the whole process, clean it and deliver.
Okay, let's show you what the office looks like. Here, the first thing you'll find is the CEO sits at this desk. Behind his computer, he helps us with sourcing parts and all the admin and registrations, paperwork, all administrative things. On the wall, we just have our certification documents, all our membership stickers.
Here we also have a lounge for the customers, waiting a bit with some coffee or water.
Next up is Daniel's office.
So this is my office. Basically what I do is I just make sure that all the customers are happy and all the legal stuff is up to date and subscriptions, and if somebody needs something or a special request, I'll always be available to assist you.
He's also in charge of all the finances and memberships and registrations, and make sure all the legalities are up to date. So next is our workshop. This is where we work on all the vehicles. As we said, every vehicle that is on the floor goes through this workshop. It's myself and Brendan, is the other mechanic we have here as well. So yeah, together we make sure all the vehicles are good, and then we are also open to the public, do services, all kinds of repairs on most vehicles. If there's anything, we always try and assist someone.
Yeah, so please come around. We are situated at number 26 Krause Street in Oranjezig, Bloemfontein. We'll be happy to see you guys and just have a chat about everything we do around here.
Thank you.